So hello guys, in today's video I'm just about to reveal to you how you can promote your CPA marketing offers with the help of this AI tool called the ChatGPT. And this is an amazing AI tool which you could take advantage of its writing capabilities right now and start making money right here with CPA marketing. So make sure you do stick on to the end of this video and learn these exact same strategies which could actually help you promote your CPA marketing offers. So without much introduction and further ado guys, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So guys, the first step right here will be to head on to any CPA marketing platform of your choice. You could use the Max Bounty right here, or you could just simply go on to using the CPA grip. If you don't have an account on any of such platforms, just simply go on to clicking on register right here, where you'll be brought to this particular page on CPA grip. Go on to filling out this form right here and make sure you fill out the field that are actually having these red asterisk signs, and you could then go on to checking out the terms of services right here. If they are okay with by you, just simply go on to checking out all these boxes, and you could then go on to clicking on register now, where your account will be created almost immediately and you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. So guys, once you're brought to this dashboard right now, you want to just simply go on to clicking on offer tools right here to go on to selecting offers. Also click on my offers right now and you'll be shown offers to a specific demographic. You don't necessarily need to promote offers to this specific demographic. You could select offers to any other demographic of your choice out there, but I usually do prefer promoting offers to countries with a high buying power and top tier countries out there, which is why the United States is a very good option for me to go on to promoting offers too. And if I do scroll through guys, I'm gonna just simply go on to selecting a sweepstake offer right now. And guys, this is an example of a sweepstake offer, which is a gift card giveaway or a giveaway worth $750 for you to go on to spending towards your summer style. And you can see right here that this is an Apple iOS offer, also an email and zip submit offer, and I just simply have to go on to paying or to using my unique affiliate link right here to promote this offer, and my leads will just simply have to use an Apple iOS device to submit their email address or zip code while going through a survey, and I'm just going to go on to getting paid $2.31 for each and every successful lead. So basically guys, right now to promote my CPA marketing offer, you just want to make sure you use this AI tool called the ChatGPT, and you just want to head on to the chat.openai.com, register on such platforms using your email address, and you could just simply take advantage of its content writing capabilities. As you can see right here, ChatGPT can actually go on to writing virtually anything for you, but the only limitation which ChatGPT actually do have is that it doesn't have access to knowledge of the world and events after the year 2021. So right now guys, maybe I want to just simply go on to generating a Facebook post for that particular CPA marketing offer. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to generate a Facebook post to promote a giveaway worth $750 to spend towards your summer style. And if I do click on enter right now guys, you can see that ChatGPT has actually begun creating this post right here, and you can actually read through this particular post right here. But what I'm actually most interested in right now is the steps to entering this particular giveaway. You can see right here the first step says like and share this post and spread the word of your fashion forward friends, and the more the merrier right here. You want to just simply comment and tag at least 3 friends who needs the summer style upgrade. And the third step is to follow our page and stay updated on the latest fashion trend, exclusive offers, and more exciting giveaways. So right now guys, this does not actually goes exactly how I want it right here. So all what I'm going to change right here in this particular post, which is actually generated for me, as you can see it's actually generated with the hashtag, is just to go on to editing that particular steps right there to entering this particular giveaway. So if I complete this, copy this right here, I could just simply head on to Facebook, and I'm just going to come right here to this particular section, paste in that particular post right here. And for this section which says the step right here, I could just simply go on to the step 3 and edit that to something like, click on the link below to complete a simple survey and claim giveaway. So right now I'm just going to go on to copying the CPA marketing offer, copy the link, head back to Facebook right here and paste in that particular link right here. So you just want to make sure you do go on to posting this particular stuff right here. So I'm just also going to copy this, and once you post it right now guys, it's actually going to go on to driving some traffic right here, and it's going to be an organic traffic. So right now guys, you could also head on to the group section, click on see all groups, and you want to search for giveaway related groups. So if I do go on to searching for giveaway right now, guys, I'm just going to go on to searching for that right now. If I do go on to group sections, I will be able to see a lot more groups that are actually tailored to this particular search right here, or keyword, which is giveaway. And as you can see right now, guys, there are lots of giveaway groups. You can see right here, this one is for the money giveaway, and it actually has 34,000 members. So you could use that exact post right here to actually promote that CPA marketing offer on this platform. You could also use this ChatGPT right now to go on to generating a Twitter post right here. I can actually go on to changing this Facebook right here to a tweet to Twitter. So if I do go on to changing that right here and click on submit, you can see right now that it has actually begun to write a Twitter tweet right here for me, and you can see how amazing the tweet actually is. So right now it's actually done with that. You could copy that, head on to Twitter to promote that. You could also head on to this platform called the Quora.com right here, and on Quora.com, because it actually shares stories and a lot more stuff right here, you just want to use ChatGPT to actually generate an article. And if you use ChatGPT to write an article, head on to Quora right here, post that article in this section. If you do click on this section, you want to go on to clicking on the create post section, where you can actually go on to posting that particular article. And once you post that article, you want to make sure you do also chip in that CPA marketing offer, telling them that that's going to be a giveaway right there, and you can actually drive traffic to that. Another strategy which you could use to promote that offer right here on Quora is to actually go on to the answers section. If you do click on this section, guys, you'll be able to see a lot of questions which a lot of people are actually interested in. And right now I could just simply go on to copying this question right here. As you can see, the question says, what are the benefits of eating papaya and mango? I'm going to come right here, head on to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT this exact same question, and you can see that ChatGPT is actually going to come up with a cool and amazing response right here. So you can see the response right now which ChatGPT actually came up with. You just want to copy this right here, head on to Quora, and actually go on to answering that particular question. And guys, once you do answer that question, also chip in your CPA marketing offer in terms of a giveaway right there. And another amazing strategy which you could take advantage of is to head on to platforms like Flicky AI or the Pictory AI, and you want to just simply go on to creating videos, because these are actually video creation AI tools right here which you could take advantage right now and create cool and amazing videos. And with the Flicky AI, you could create videos from text in about 2 minutes right here. With Pictory AI, you could also do the same thing. As you could see, that you could automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long form content, because it is quick, easy and cost effective. You don't need any technical skill or software download to actually go on to creating such cool and amazing videos. So you could actually use ChatGPT right here to go on to generating maybe a script to that particular video, go on to Flicky AI or the Pictory AI to go on to creating that video right there, and make sure you do go on to promoting that particular video. And if you promote that particular video, you could head on to platforms like YouTube, and you want to make sure that in uploading that video, you are actually directing them to the description of that particular video, telling them that there's a giveaway right there, because you want to just simply chip that in right here. Once when you are creating the video, chip that into the video, and in uploading that, make sure the link right there to that particular offer or giveaway is actually made available in the description of your video, and you could actually drive traffic to that using doing this exact same strategy. So you could see right here that these are amazing ways which you could make use of this ChatGPT right now to start promoting your CPA marketing offers, even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. So I hope this video has been of help to you. Just simply go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.